Imagine I put a real $100 bill on a table and offered to auction it off. Bidding start at just $1. It sounds like free money, right? But what if I told you that by the end of the game, highly intelligent people will fight each other to pay me $500 just to win that single $100 bill? It make no logical sense, yet this happen every single time. Welcome to Wait What, and today we are going to unlocking the one of the most dangerous mathematical trap ever designed, and it's called the dollar auction paradox. It's a game theory hack that explains how billionaires go bankrupt, how countries go to war, and how your brain is basically hardwired to destroy itself. The game is simple and it only has two rules. Rule 1: the highest bidder wins the $100 bill. Easy. But here is the catch. Rule 2: the second highest bidder still has to pay their final bid to the auctioneer, but they get absolutely nothing in return. At first, player thinks they are outsmarting the system. Player A bids $1, player B bids $2 to steal the profit. It's a fun game of making free money, right? Until the bidding reached $99. That is the exact moment when psychological death trap locks its jaw. Let's look at the math. Player A bids $99. He is about to win $100, making a $1 profit. But look at player B. His last bid was $98. If player B stop now, he lose $98 and get nothing. But if he bids $100, he breaks even. So player B bids $100. Now player A is the loser. If player A quits, he loses $99. So to save his $99, player A does the unthinkable. He bids $101 for a $100 bill. That is the exact moment the game changes. The players are no longer fighting to win. They are fighting to not lose the money that they have already committed. In psychology, this glitch in the brain is called the sunk cost fallacy. This is the true horror of the dollar auction. Once the bid crosses $100, winning eventually leads to losing. You are no longer playing to gain wealth. You are playing because you want to lose less. If you win the auction with a bidding of $200, you get the $100 bill, meaning you still lost $100. Even if you win the game, you are still a loser. The only real winner is the auctioneer. This isn't just a party trick. When two massive tech companies burn billions of dollars fighting over an AI patent, or when two countries spend trillions in an arms race that neither can be afforded to quit, they have spent too much to stop, even if winning means losing. So if you ever find yourself sitting at a table and someone offer you to auction off a $100 bill with these two rules, there is only one winning mathematical move. Don't play. What would you do if you were caught in this game? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this mystery, hit subscribe and I will see you in the next video.